Building muscle through exercise is a goal shared by many fitness enthusiasts. Among the myriad exercises available, push-ups have stood the test of time as one of the most effective and accessible forms of strength training. This video delves into the science behind push-ups and their role in muscle building, drawing from the latest research to answer the burning question: how many push-ups a day are necessary to build muscle? Stay till the end of the video to know more about optimizing your push-up routine for maximum muscle growth. So let's get started. To appreciate how push-ups contribute to muscle growth, it's essential to understand the concept of muscle hypertrophy. Muscle hypertrophy is the enlargement of muscle fibers, primarily driven by two types of stimuli: mechanical tension and metabolic stress. Mechanical tension occurs when muscles generate force against resistance, while metabolic stress results from the accumulation of metabolites like lactate during high-repetition exercises. Push-ups, a compound movement that engages multiple muscle groups including the pectorals, deltoids, triceps, and the core, are particularly effective at creating both mechanical tension and metabolic stress. This makes them an ideal exercise for inducing muscle hypertrophy. When performing push-ups, the muscles experience tension from the resistance of body weight. This tension disrupts the integrity of muscle fibers, leading to a process known as mechanotransduction, where mechanical stimuli are converted into chemical signals that promote muscle growth. Eccentric contractions, where muscles lengthen under tension, such as when lowering the body during a push-up, cause microscopic damage to muscle fibers. This damage triggers an inflammatory response, which in turn activates satellite cells that facilitate muscle repair and growth. High-repetition push-up sets lead to the accumulation of metabolic byproducts like lactate. This metabolic stress induces a hypoxic, low-oxygen environment within muscles, promoting the release of anabolic hormones such as growth hormone and testosterone, which are crucial for muscle hypertrophy. Recent studies have provided insights into the effectiveness of push-ups for muscle growth. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research compared the muscle hypertrophy effects of push-ups with those of bench press exercises. The results indicated that high-repetition push-up routines could induce similar levels of muscle growth in the pectoral and triceps muscles as traditional bench presses, provided that the push-ups were performed to failure, ensuring sufficient mechanical tension and metabolic stress. Another study published in PLOS ONE explored the impact of different push-up volumes on muscle hypertrophy. Participants were divided into groups performing varying numbers of push-ups daily, ranging from low 50 push-ups to high 200 push-ups. The findings suggested a dose-response relationship, where higher push-up volumes led to greater increases in muscle size and strength up to a certain point. However, the study also highlighted the importance of individual variability, noting that optimal push-up volume could differ based on factors such as baseline fitness levels, age, and gender. Determining the optimal number of push-ups for muscle growth requires considering both the volume and intensity of the exercise. Research suggests that performing push-ups to failure is crucial for maximizing hypertrophy, as it ensures that muscles are subjected to sufficient tension and metabolic stress. However, the total number of push-ups needed can vary widely among individuals. For beginners, starting with a manageable volume, such as 3 sets of 10, 15 push-ups performed 3 times per week, can provide a solid foundation. As strength and endurance improve, gradually increasing the volume to 3 to 5 sets of 20 to 30 push-ups performed 4 to 5 times per week can enhance muscle growth. Advanced individuals may benefit from incorporating high-volume push-up routines, such as 200 to 300 push-ups per day, divided into multiple sets throughout the day, to continue challenging their muscles and promoting hypertrophy. Progressive overload is a fundamental principle in strength training, involving the gradual increase of stress placed on muscles during exercise. To continually stimulate muscle growth, it's essential to progressively increase the difficulty of push-up workouts. This can be achieved by increasing repetitions, adding resistance, altering hand placement, and implementing variations. Progressively increasing the number of push-ups performed in each set is a straightforward way to apply progressive overload, as consistently challenging the muscles with higher volumes of work stimulates continuous muscle growth. Introducing external resistance, such as wearing a weighted vest, placing a weight plate on your back, or using resistance bands, significantly enhances the muscle building potential by amplifying mechanical tension. Varying hand placements during push-ups, such as wide hand, close grip, and diamond push-ups, targets different muscle groups and introduces new challenges to prevent plateaus. Implementing variations like plyometric push-ups, archer push-ups, one-arm push-ups, and handstand push-ups keeps workouts fresh, engages different muscle fibers, and promotes overall muscle development. Balancing push-ups with other exercises. While push-ups are excellent for building muscle, it's important to incorporate a balanced exercise routine that targets all major muscle groups. Relying solely on push-ups can lead to muscular imbalances, especially in the lower body and back. Incorporating exercises such as squats, lunges, deadlifts, and rows will ensure comprehensive strength development and prevent overuse injuries. Additionally, integrating compound movements like bench presses and pull-ups can complement the push-up routine by providing varied stimuli for the muscles. A well-rounded workout program not only enhances overall muscle growth, but also improves functional strength and athletic performance, promoting long-term fitness and health. Recovery and nutrition. Muscle growth doesn't occur during the workout itself, but during the recovery period. Ensuring adequate recovery is crucial for muscle repair and growth. This involves getting sufficient sleep, allowing at least 48 hours of rest between intense push-up sessions for the same muscle group, and incorporating active recovery techniques like stretching and foam rolling. Nutrition also plays a pivotal role in muscle hypertrophy. Consuming a diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates provides the necessary building blocks for muscle repair and growth. Aim for a protein intake of 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight per day, as recommended by research to support muscle protein synthesis. Additionally, staying hydrated and maintaining a balanced intake of micronutrients will optimize your overall health and muscle building efforts. In conclusion, push-ups are a highly effective exercise for building muscle thanks to their ability to create mechanical tension, muscle damage, and metabolic stress. The number of push-ups needed to build muscle varies based on individual factors such as fitness level, age, and gender. Research suggests that performing push-ups to failure and progressively increasing the volume and intensity of your workouts are key strategies for maximizing muscle hypertrophy. Beginners can start with a moderate volume and gradually increase their push-up routine as they gain strength and endurance. Advanced individuals may benefit from high-volume push-up routines and incorporating variations to continually challenge their muscles. Regardless of your fitness level, prioritizing recovery and nutrition will ensure that your muscles have the resources they need to grow. Ultimately, the best approach to building muscle with push-ups is one that is tailored to your specific needs and goals. By understanding the science behind muscle hypertrophy and applying progressive overload principles, you can effectively use push-ups to achieve significant muscle growth and enhance your overall strength and fitness. That's all for today. Make sure to check our other videos and playlists for more insightful contents as well. See you soon.